If you are a plant dad or a mom like me, then you know how much effort goes into keeping your indoor plants healthy, vibrant, and strong. If you have watched my previous video, you must have seen that I never throw away the vegetable or fruit scraps. Most of the time, I keep them in a bowl and add water and let them soak for a day or two. And here is this water which has been soaked for over a day or so. And then what I do is very simple, and it's the trick that I have been following for over 5 months. This is the water that I use to feed my indoor plants. It's kind of a organic fertilizer, I would say, and it's pretty easy to make. So I really like doing this little bit for my indoor plants. It's so simple. The scraps, whenever I make a stir-fry vegetable or green smoothie, I don't throw away the scraps, I keep them. Soak them in water for a day or two, and then keep the water and throw away the scraps. And it feels good that I'm feeding my plants the same stuff that I am eating, because I use the same vegetables for my smoothie. So it's done, simple. And now I'm going to water my indoor plants with this natural homemade fertilizer. But before that, let me soak the scraps from today. We made smoothie, and we have carrot, we have oranges, we have bananas, we have apples. So everything is going into this bowl, and then the water, and I'm going to use this tomorrow or day after tomorrow, depending upon. So next time you boil or steam some vegetables or make a green smoothie, don't throw away the water. That's a great tip. I hope you find it useful, and please let me know if it worked for you or not. Happy planting!